Hey, Tony here with Genuine Comfort. I wanted to answer a question on 95% efficient furnaces and if they should be vented up or out the side. Because consumers will call me and they'll have an install crew there and they'll wonder if it's better to go up or out. In this case, it really doesn't matter. As long as they have a slope about a 1/4 inch per foot, they're drained properly, and in most cases installing a 95% furnace in an existing home that's an older home, the flues will probably be vented horizontal. So again, horizontal, vertical, doesn't matter. Just make sure that they're installed properly. Thank you.